So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are staying and stay positive. So in this reading we are going to see about your love life reading from August mid-month to August end of the month for the water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So how are you guys, my dear water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio? So if you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So guys, please do subscribe, please do support, please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and as well as it will definitely help to improve this channel growth as well. Okay, so let's see like what is happening for my dear water element. I'm also very curious because I'm also in water element. Ooh, okay. A lot of the cards is flowing on the way. Bottom of the deck we get unfazed. I think somebody is sad. Yeah, somebody is thinking, somebody wants to connect with you, but they are not showing their true face. Yeah, they are not showing their true face. We have the bad karma card as well in the reverse. Unfast. Okay, let's see. By the way, I'm just getting a lot of cards as well, so let's see. So this is for the bottom of the deck we get. So next, bankrupt. Okay, past due, bankrupt, hooked. Yes, yeah. And next we get uninterested. Next we get a fake account, giving money, wolf in sheep's clothing. Okay, so somebody is there. Okay, somebody is not revealing their truth. So it's be like your person energy. I can see that there is some kind of an on and off kind of a situation is happening right now with your person, and your person is not revealing their truth. They have a lot of feelings for you. They are holding their feelings for you. They are thinking about you. They are being very sad. They are being very upset because they are not in a communication. They are not in a proper communication. So it's been like a day and night. You are be in their heart. You are be in their mind every time. They want some kind of a growth in a relationship, but they don't know how to be communicate with you, how to make things could be better, because they know that something has been corrupted here. Okay, the relationship is somehow it have been come to an end, and they feeling that, yeah. And as well as I can see that your person is having a lot of intimacy, like a lot of intimacy kind of a feeling towards you. They have a lot of lusty kind of a feelings towards you. At the same time, they are be like overthinking about the situation as well, like how to fix the things. For some kind of a people, there is some kind of a long distance relationship could also be happen. A distance may be involved here. Okay, I can see for like both the long distance, like one is be like a long distance relationship, and other is be like a communication gap. Okay, so two distance I can see in your cards, by the way. So all I can see that this person is feeling that they have been corrupted something here. They have been collapsed. They have missed the opportunity with you. They thinking that they have been ruined this connection because of their past mistake. Because there may be some kind of a chances that your person may say that they want to do some kind of a breakup kind of a situation. Okay, so right now this person is into a very much like deep thinking and deep analyzing about the situation. There is a lot of the things that is running on their head. For example, they are remembering those past moment or the past memories. They are remembering those days and those connection with you which you have been had before with them. Okay, so when it comes to the right night time, this person is feeling somehow very much stuck into them, that because they are not trying to be open up, because they are not trying to be say the truth towards you. Okay, this person is something is eating them alive. Something is eating your person alive. In the past, your person has been treated you in a wrong way. They have been treated. You maybe think that your person is acting like a red flag. Yeah. So you both have been make some kind of a distance between both of you. you thought that relationship will be have a good growth. You maybe have some kind of a hope towards the universe. You're trusting on the process, but somehow I can see that there is some kind of a distance between you and your person. It has been like very very clear here. So now I can see that there is some kind of a chances that your person is looking like your person is watching whatever you're doing right now. Okay, they're keeping their eye on you. There is some kind of a chances that you maybe get a call or text messages from your person in this August month. And as well as I can see that there is some kind of a financial improvement is coming on your way for the water element. I can see you can you maybe meet new peoples in this August month as well. I'm channeling that as an extra messages. So again with the hooked messages, I can see that your person is feeling this kind of a situation. They are feeling that they are being like dead inside. They are not trying to be open up. It's be like haunting them. Like if a person is doing some kind of a murder, okay, if a person is doing some kind of an no, I won't, sorry, I can't able to say it is a murder kind of a stuff. So right now I can understand that the situation has become like very worse towards your person. Okay, they are having a lot of emotions, they are holding a lot of emotions. They know that this relationship is a very potential relationship, and this relationship will be like a very balanced relationship, a healthy relationship to them. They know that you also want to be grow with them. They know that you are looking for a long-term kind of relationship, but somehow you both are mirroring each other. It's be like a twin flame kind of an energy. At the same time, you maybe feel a karmic kind of an energy as well from your person, because they are not taking any kind of an action. Like the way you are trusting on the universe, your person is also trusting on the universe. They are waiting for a right moment to communicate with you. They are seeing that they are feeling that the separation will be getting end soon. For example, which I have been said before, that there is some kind of a distance. So your person is feeling that this distance will be end soon. They are feeling that they will be get closer towards you. So this could be their plan. So like meet you in a real and having a good connection with you, and try to build this connection in a very right way and a right manner, and try to fix the things. That's what I can see. That your person is feeling very very regret energy with the uninterested and with the unfazed. So I can see that your person is feeling very much regret by their past mistake, because they maybe think that you are not be a right person for them, you're not be like a genuine or something like that. But right now they haven't understand your picture, they know your value, they know your worth. So that's the reason your person is trying to be figured out. There is a lot of emotions this person is holding on right now. They're not good. You can see that again the head is be like a down, head is facing a downside, and again this guy head is facing a downside. So it's be like, and completely this person is being in a very kind of a regret kind of an energy. So they don't know like how to find the things. They don't know how to find the way to fix it between you and them. They know that you are be like a green flag to them, and they have been act like a red flag. Okay, so those energy I can see that again. So with the dog energy, so this person is want to be loyal with you, but they are not showing their true self towards you. That's the problem here. Okay, again they are seeing that you again you can see that this person have a lot of lust kind of an energy, lusty feel, and at the same time there is an emotions as well. So this person wants to be loyal with you, but at the same time they are coming, they are not they are coming, but they are not showing it in upfront. Okay, so this person is spying on you. This person is looking each and everything, like in a social medias or whatever you are posting or what you are doing. They're keeping an eye on them, they are keeping an eye on you. Okay, so this energy I can see that, and exactly with the fake account and with the bankrupt, I can see there is some kind of a chances that your person will try to open up. They will try to put some kind of a messages like a hi, hello, how are you, what are you doing, some kind of a messages I can see that. Okay, so again even though they are focusing on their work, but still their mind is even though your person is working, even though they are trying to be focused on their career, but still they have your feelings. Every time they have your feelings. So that's the energy I can see. So let's see about your person channel messages as well for the water element, like Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. I hope that this back and forth game, or else this on and off situations, like a no corner situation, will be come to an end, because your person is in a deep thinking and a deep regret. Okay, so let's see about your person channel messages. So bottom of the deck we get you are just such a nice person. Yes, they know that you are be true to them, you are be like very genuine to them. They are understanding your connection now, they are understanding you as well. You would do anything to make me happy. So now they are feeling that, because guys, I can see you, I better show you. So this person is not happy, they are being very sad. They know that with you they will be so happy. What I've been said, with you will be so happy with this unhooked and with this unfaced. So I can sure about it that your person is be like very very sad and very very upset because you're not in their life right now. They are trying to understand your connection. You have a passion in all that you do, so they know that you are be like very much focused on very much focused on your career. You are going in a in a very right direction. You are choosing a very direction. You are shining on it. They know that because I have already said that this person is spying on you. And the last messages we get, like, nothing makes me happier than holding your hands. Again, what I've been said. So there is some kind of a chances that again you can see that this person wants to disconnect from the world and they want to be spend a time with you. They want to spend some kind of a quality time with you. So again, it is I have said you that this back and forth game will be comes to an end. There is some kind of a master changes from your person end, and things will be get settled down. The reconciliation will be possibly in a very good way. They want to make these connections in a very healthy connection. Okay, they are feeling very much genuine. So again you can see that this person is be like very very emotional towards you again. So you are a water element, but your person is be like very very emotional towards you right now. They are be like a water element. Whoever you are dealing with, either you may deal with an earth element, or either you may deal with a fire element. Whatever it could be, their sign, it's be like a same water or it's be like same air. Whatever the element could be, your person is feeling very much emotional right now. Okay, so these are the energy. I can see that there is a very beautiful growth is coming on in your connection. So these are the energies. I can see that. I hope guys it could be resonant with you. It maybe give some kind of an clarity towards you. For the next reading we can see about your person current feelings and as well as their channel messages, so that you can understand the situation as well. Okay, so guys, stay tuned for the next reading. And as well as if you're looking for any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out on my WhatsApp, or else you can reach out on my Instagram. So both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that. And guys, if you are looking my channel for the very first time, please do like, share and subscribe. And if all your friends and family may love tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them. Please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely helps me to grow this channel as well. Okay, so guys, again and again I want to repeat the same thing, like, please give your support. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye, water element, bye bye.